Hi everyone and welcome back to Grow with Kit. So in today's video I'm going to be planting my potatoes. So I've got two varieties. I've got a first early called Maris Bard, I don't know if you can see them there, and I've got a main crop called Pentland Dell. So I've got my two no dig beds behind me. You can see them there. So I'm going to do the main crop in one bed and the first earlies in the other bed. So I'll get the camera turned around and I'll get cracking. I'll show you how I'm going to do it. Alright guys, so we're going to get these potatoes planted now. So I'm starting with the main crop in this bed here. So the instructions say 30 centimetres apart and 60 centimetres apart for the rows. I'm not going to follow it exactly. I'm going to leave 30 centimetres from each edge and then 50 in between each potato. Otherwise I'll only be able to get 2 rows. I want at least 3 rows. So yeah, I've made the decision. That's how I'm going to plant them, 3 rows down there. So I'm not sure how many I'll be able to get in. Hopefully I'll get this whole bag in. There's about 30 in there, 20, 30. And I've been chitting since I bought them about a month ago. They've been in the outside toilet. It's nice and cold in there and it's quite light, so they've got some nice strong shoots now. Most of them only have one on, which is good, because that means you'll get bigger potatoes apparently. If they've got more than one, then you get more but smaller, so they say anyway. So all I'm going to do is just get a trowel and just dig a hole and put the potato in. So I'm going to dig it as deep as I can, but this is a no dig bed, so underneath here is cardboard and I don't want to go through it particularly. So I can top it up again, I can earth them up, but I'm just going to pop them in quite shallow for now. Cover them up. When the shoots start coming up, if I can get hold of some more manure or compost, then I will earth them up a bit. But yeah, so that's basically how I plan to do it. This is the first time I've grown potatoes like this. I've done them in containers before, but I've never had enough room to do them outside. But now I have, so this is all new to me. Anyway, I will set up the camera and I will get the rest done, and I'll get back to you when I'm done. Right, so that's the main crop in. There's 3 rows up into that bit of wood. So I've got the first earlies. So I think I'm going to put a few in that end bit there, and then maybe the rest of them in here. I don't know if I just do a row or 2, or to do like a block. I think I'll do a row along here, or maybe 2 rows along here, and then leave that space so I can put something else in there. So I won't bother filming that. I'll get that done and then I'll get back to you. Alright guys, so that's how I'm going to plant the first earlies in a row along there, and we've got 9 in the end of that bed, and that's all main crop, first earlies, and then I've got the rest of this bed here to plant something else in. I've got onions, beetroot, cabbage, lettuce, Brussels sprouts, so I'll be planting them in there at some point. And I've also got another little bed which I dug there, which I've just put these covers over for now. I'll probably be putting carrots and onions in there or something. I'll figure it out anyway. So I'll get these in and I'll get back to you in a minute. Alright guys, so that's the potatoes in. We've got 30 main crop and 30 first earlies. The first earlies are down that side of that bed and the end of that bed, and the main crops are 3 rows along here. So potatoes done. So if you, thanks a lot for watching everyone. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to me and feel free to leave a comment. If you keep an eye out for the next video, I'll be planting out some more things. So I'll see you in the next video guys. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great weekend and I'll see you later.